Ehuru yo kwetegura ebigwereze yamanyoka Enhancing Flood Management in Uganda with Integrated Early Warning Systems emunesha jukaba Food and Agriculture Organization FAO na government ya Japan. Encourage neza kumaraka kigurukamo mu sente za America kandi neza kuteko mu district nka Kasese bundu bujo hamwe na Ntoroko.
Bitweta akamanyiso. So omumizi naho hari akamanyiso nka threshold value ya mizo gushemka nigingana. So it Ministry of Water and Environment, of course, we want to monitoring means kuga kutambura in real time data kandi kuryani twamanisa abantu ngo aza kubaho floods mu Chwekechi kandi shanga cyakora cyayamba munonga district abantu kora tutafa
ahansi yehureji emyanya rabene hwerantebereza yo bwiremanyirwe nka automatic weather station zeri kwingana 10 yahereze kombe kwa nobwo mu burabe n'ubukingize migera nkanyamwamba na semirike rabe neza kuboga nabwo nubuza kutekwaho.
We call it real time information of what is happening in Nyamwamba, what is happening in Semuliki, what is happening in Toroko and Budibujo. You get real time information.
Nibajangwe kigendere kumamagaraga abantu n'ebintu byabo ebirembe cwekera burikire migera ya Nyamwamba na semirike bwebire neboga.
Twinoho sensors ziri hamigera ninga mirindi ya semiriki, twinoho zindi sensors ziri hambere rwa Nyamwamba kandi sensors nizireta signals omu early warning center eji eri Ministry of Water and Environment for Poto.
Amakuru gake njura bweragwa bonde bujo mu rusozi enjura bweragwa ha nsozi eza DRC Congo amaizo bagakuba ngayimuka na system netoleka ngo amaizi ngago gatandika kukoraki kwija maingi.
Omuganda makuru mujecherwa mukuru wihanga bwo rembo rwambara shabira abakozi ba government okushamisa abatura no kubahereze bukwata sente za hansi okubasa kutunga mizigo kwinyisa no koreso mu makagabo. Ebiyagambo byabanatongoze ntebekanusa zo kuzaguza iciro cy'amizo munsi yone kigendere kushamisa abatura okubakoresa je bishara nemigera yiba kwihamizo muhure yeserwa Uganda Water Week.
Bagaruko mu makaba bishomeze itwa abantu abo myaro turece kurumba ahamizi garinka rivers nebishara kuronda amezi kuyaho tugarondera hituri burumuntu ahari kubari batwegese technologies zo kubasa kutuyamba kugira ngo burumuntu ahari nabasa kutunga amezi yo kutimba za damu batushitse hihi ebyome bya kutimba amezi.
We also want to appreciate opinion leaders who drive our agenda at the local community levels and make us have seen and action taken at that level. These partnerships are essential for driving innovation, policy development and community engagement in sustainable water and environment management.
Ministry ya mezi no buhangwa bariyo mbakora cyone kikubasika kurebeka ngo barindo mugera gwa rwizo bwo barukohereza abatura barukora emirimo yabo mbishara endije myoga nko kutunga enjoki empunu hamwe nenkoko.
Tukaba turyo mu kishara mwe twa ntukora emirimo yiti yone ntwihamwe ebyo kurya ntwingamwe mboga twiyamu school fees kandi tukurisa nabana bitu konkitwe nkabacyara twabe turyo kwizo muranga gwa nema batwingo mu kishara batuhereza ebihumi.
Our final day, we are going to do tree planting in Rubara, one of the catchments within Rizibia, where we are again teaming up with the local communities and institutions, the primary school.
If we continue working together, we shall restore.
Amakuru agasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwire na Mayuko tumwachire.